Hey guys, welcome back for another session of SAT Math Prep. Today's question doesn't involve any calculations, yay, but does require a little bit of thinking. So it says the sum of 11 different integers is 0. What is the least number of these integers that must be positive? So it asks us to find, at least how many integers does it require, the least number of integers required that are positive to make the sum of 11 different integers 0. Okay, so the best thing to do is just start from option A and go through them one by one. Now if option A says none, okay, so if none of these 11 integers are positive, that means all of the 11 integers must be negative, right? And no matter how you add up these integers, negative plus negative plus negative plus negative, you're never going to get 0. You need some, you don't know how many right now, but you need at least, some number of positive integers in order for that sum to equal 0, right? So A is out of the question. Moving on to B, 1. This seems pretty logical, right? If you have sum of 11 different integers, if you have 10 negative integers and they all add up to like negative x, and then you have one positive integer that is x, then they cancel out and bam, you have 0, right? So B is definitely valid. But we should again take a look at C, D, and E just to make sure. So C, D, and E, first C it says 5, and then D says 6, and E says 10. I mean, there's lots of different combinations of numbers for you to reach 0, but the question asks what is the least number of these integers that must be positive. And if 1 works, then 5, and even if 5, 6, and 10 work as well, they're asking for the least number of these integers that must be positive. So B has to be the right answer. So today's question wasn't too bad. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you join us again.